Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
All right, we're gonna remove the cap and the rotor. We don't want to take the wires off. We're gonna leave those wires on so that we know where they were located. They are all labeled. So like this is cylinder number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So I'm gonna start with a Phillips head screw. I'm gonna take this screw out right here. And this one will come out. There's another screw back here. I'm gonna pull this screw out, right there. Like that. All right, so we're gonna take our rotor off. There's a little Phillips head screw down here. If your rotor is positioned in a different spot, what you can do is you can turn the crank a little bit to get it so you can access the screw. But ours is all set. All right, so I got that screw out. Now I can grab on the rotor and pull it straight up, just like that. All right, so we're gonna install the new rotor. We're gonna line it up where the old one was. And then there's a new bolt that comes with it. A new screw, a new Phillips head screw. So we'll screw this Phillips head screw in. And you'll snug that down, not too tight. And then we'll take our new cap. That's where the number 1 wire goes. We'll line that up like that. Now we're going to tighten down the distributor cap. This one, the screws are already in the cap. They stay with the cap. So we'll just snug these down. Just like that. Make sure it's snug. And that's good. So now that that's on, we can look at our old cap. Cylinder 1. We can take this wire off. Twist it back and forth, pull it off, and that will go right here on cylinder number 1. We're going to do the same with the other ones. You could just mark these all before you do it, or you could just do them one at a time. So that's cylinder number 2. This one right here. And then cylinder number 3 wire. And then number 4. That will go right here. And then cylinder number 5 wire. And then last cylinder number 6 wire. All right, and that's it.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.